Vicente VI served as the chief apothecary of the Raven Guard during the Horus Heresy. Vicente would be promoted not by virtue of talent, but by necessity in the wake of the Istvan V dropsite massacre. The Alpha Legion's headhunter squads had prioritized the execution of the Raven Guard's apothecaries during the slaughter, leaving the Legion vulnerable. Primarch Corvus Corax would personally promote Vicente to enable his talents to aid in the recovery of the decimated 19th Legion. Provided with genetic material derived from the Primarchs themselves, Corax would assign this wealth of potential to Vicente, giving him the task of utilizing these materials to rebuild the Raven Guard. Liaising with Magos Genitor Nexin Orlandrius, Vicente would create the newly dubbed Raptor Space Marines. Infiltrated by the Alpha Legion, the project would be sabotaged in its later stages with the introduction of a virus to the genetic materials. In an Alpha Legion raid of the facility, Vicente would be mortally wounded by an insurgent, disguised as Hawk Commander Solaro Ann of the Raven Guard. However, before his death, Vicente would crawl his way to the Raptor Experiment's holding cell, handing the access keys to his creations. His monsters of gene tampering resolving to avenge their creator in destroying the Alpha Legionaries whom had claimed their master's life.